Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meets link. Really quick and easy guys. Now, all you need to do is come search Google Meets on your search bar, okay? Just click on the first option, the first website, meet.google.com. Really easy guys. Now, it is really simple. Like even my friend I know in real life, he didn't know how to create a Google Meets link. I know something that seems really simple, but yeah, might be difficult for some. So all you need to do is click on new meeting, okay? Right here. Click on this button right here. Click on new meeting. You can create a meeting for later. This will create a link that you can use later on, or you can start an instant meeting right now. So here, the meeting just started, and I know you're like, oh, you're gonna see me face reveal, but I'm gonna turn off my camera just in a second. All right, I just turned off my camera. Let me turn off my mic too. So here we have the Google Meets link right here. You can just copy this and send it to whoever you want to send it to, or you can click here, add others, and you can put their email in, and then it will send them an email. It's really that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can always subscribe.